kale chip with my mommy. And we need salt, olive oil, and you can use these because these are too hard to make kale chip. And these are the kale, and you need kale. And preheat the oven. On a preheat. And that's mommy's new like pot. So how much do you have to do, Mommy? Okay. I don't want to wear these. Mommy, how much do you have for?
It's okay.
And oil. I think you have to put oil because oil makes it crunchy.
I think a little bit more. Ready?
Yeah, ready. Salt. And here, I want to try kind of.
Yum.
Yes, yum. Okay. Now you have to put it in the oven, and then I will show you how it looks like when it's kale chip. My mom is putting it in the oven. Kale chip is my favorite
Why?
because it's salty and it's yummy, and I like the goodie part. It's my favorite snack. I mostly eat it for snacks. That's all, Mommy. I have to introduce. Mommy, now let's eat it. We have our kale juice too. Kale juice. I like the kale juice. I never ate it before. My mommy made it. We put apples, banana, and we did 1 apple and 2 bananas. And kale, just kale, and it turned this color. If it turns this color, you're done with the kale juice. And it's good for your health. And I'm gonna give it to my daddy for his sun to go out. told you that I'm eating the kale. And it's also healthy for you, and it's also really tasty. And that's all for today. And bye. I hope you make it.